Khan Academy, Multiply Fractions, and we're working on the subtopic Multiply Fractions and Whole Numbers Visually. Veronica wants to multiply 2/3 times 15. So she puts 15 triangles into 3 equal size groups. So what is 2/3 of 15? So if she has these 15 triangles, here's a third of them. Oops, here's another third, and here's another third. So if we want to know what 2/3 of 15 is, we need to take these sections, because here's 1/3, and here's another third, so 2/3 of 15, and count those triangles. So that's going to be 10. 4 unit squares each have 4/5 of their area shaded. What is the total area shaded? So first we're going to look at how many boxes do we have shaded in. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So we have 16 fifths shaded in, okay, because 16 pieces are shaded and they're each cut into fifths. Then I can look and say, okay, well, I can simplify this because it's an improper fraction. So to simplify, 5 fits into 16 3 times, and that would give us 15. So then we have 1 left over, so 3 and 1/5. Use the following image to multiply. So 3/4, 1, 2, 3/4 times 8. So when you look at our number line down below, that's times 8. So if we look, our 3/4 lines up right with our 6. So 6 is our answer. Use the following image to multiply. Half of 7. So here is our 7, and it's divided into halves. Okay, each of these is divided into half. So if we have half of 7, that's going to be this, and this, and this, and this. So now I have half of it shaded, the other half is not. So half of 7 is going to be 1, 2, 3 and a half. Use the following image to find each product. So here, if we count up all of these purple squares, there's 15. Okay, and then you can see that they're divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So 1/5 of 15, here is 1/5 of 15, so that's going to be 3. 2/5 of 15 is going to be this fifth and another fifth, so 2/5 is going to be 6. 3/5, we're going to have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, so that's going to be 9. And then 4/5 of 15 is going to be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, so that's going to be 12. 5 unit squares each have 2/3 of their area shaded. What is the total area that is shaded? So again, I'm going to count my shaded boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 are shaded, and they're in thirds, so 10 thirds are shaded. So our total area, 3 fits into 10 3 times, and I would have 1/3 left over because it fits in 3 times, which brings me to 9, and then I have the 1 left over. So 10/3 is really the same as 3 and 1/3. So 3 and 1/3. Use the following image to find each product. So here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 triangles, and they're divided into 5 groups. So 1/5 of 10 is right here, which would be 2. So the big thing that they're trying to get you to notice here is that 1/5 of 10 is the same as 1/5 times 10. So in math, often of does mean multiplication. So 2/5 is going to be our 1/5 and another 5th. So that's 2/5. So that would be 4 triangles. 3/5 would be 6 triangles. And 4/5 would be 8 triangles.